Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video I am going to show you one example, that is interview example. Okay, this question is asked already. Okay, what the interviewer asking is, we need the cumulative attrition. Like for January it is 84, then the cumulative is also 84, but for February it is 48, so it has to add 48 plus 84. What will be the result? That one it has to show here, and this is in text format. Okay, if you wanted to convert this into number or whole number, then also it is not possible because Power BI doesn't recognize what is January and what is February. So if you wanted to do this, there is one challenge that I will show you now how it is. First of all, I will do the cumulative attrition. I will show you the cumulative attrition, how it comes. Cumulative attrition equal to, okay, so here I am doing calculate sum of attrition. Okay, here I am taking filter, I am taking the whole table. Okay, now I need the cumulative. So here is the main part. Okay, in filter expression there is a main part which is like month. Okay, cumulative attrition month less than or equal to earlier, means the before record of this one. Okay, how it will come, see. Now if you see, it is going in different pattern. Okay, how it is going, see, 84 plus 48, it is not 172, and here also it is coming 60. Actually it has to be in increased format, not something like jumbled numbers. So if I do something like here, which is ascending order, then it is showing correct. Okay, it is going as per ascending order. Okay, so it is not recognizing the month, exact month. Okay, to recognize exact month, what you have to do, just copy this one, click on copy, go to home, go to enter data. Okay, here you paste it, here you type it as reference table for month. Okay, and here I will take one more thing, that is month number. Right, here I will do something like this. April is 4, this one is 8, this one is 12, this is 2, 1, 7, 6, 3, okay, 5, 11, 10 and 9. Okay, this is how it works. This we don't need. Okay, this is how it works, and I'll click on load. Now what I will do is, I will do a lookup here. Okay, I'll take a new column, I will do a lookup. Month number equal to lookup value of month number, month, cumulative. In this month I will select. Okay, now what we have got is, we have got the month numbers. Now if you say Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So to get the cumulative attrition, so what you have to do is, here instead of month you take month number, and here also you take month number. Okay, now you hit enter. Now if you see, for January it is 84. Okay, and for February it is 84 plus 48, which is 132. And see, if for March 84 plus 48 plus 54, which is 186. So this way you can solve this issue. Okay, I hope you have understood. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button.